Toyota's move with hydrogen combustion engines is bold, breaking new ground in the race for sustainable automotive solutions. While electric vehicles like those from Tesla and BYD have dominated the conversation, Toyota's hydrogen engine concept brings fresh innovation to the table. Instead of leaning fully into battery-powered tech, Toyota's new engine is reimagining internal combustion with a focus on hydrogen, a renewable, clean fuel source with water vapor as its only emission. This could offer EVs stiff competition by combining quick refueling and impressive range, features electric cars often struggle with. Don't miss out on more exciting updates like this. Hit that subscribe button and ring the bell to stay in the loop with the latest innovations. Join us for the ride. With CEO Koji Sato's leadership, Toyota's hydrogen combustion engines look like classic engines on the outside, but inside, they're re-engineered for modern performance. Key upgrades include direct fuel injection systems designed to handle hydrogen's unique properties and advanced ignition systems to maximize power and reliability. Each detail, from reinforced spark plugs to precision timing, ensures a high-performance, low-emission ride that could disrupt the industry yet again. Given Toyota's track record with hybrids, this venture could redefine the boundaries of clean transportation. Now let's delve into the combustion chamber design. To get the most out of the hydrogen and air mix, there's a need to enhance turbulence within the chamber. It's not just about stirring things up, it's about optimizing combustion efficiency. Some engineers even go for disc-shaped chambers, as these can work wonders by reducing excess turbulence and ensuring a uniform blend of hydrogen and air. While the technology behind them is formidable and definitely a sight to behold, what really gets exciting is the amazing environmental benefits they're set to deliver. I mean, have you considered the potential of these engines? Imagine driving a car that releases nothing harmful into the air, just a bit of water vapor. Sounds like a fantasy, right? But that's the real deal with hydrogen vehicles. Zero tailpipe emissions set them miles apart from traditional internal combustion engines that spew out carbon dioxide and other pollutants. It's like breathing in fresh mountain air instead of being stuck behind a bus on a busy city street. Furthermore, if the hydrogen comes from renewable sources like wind or solar energy, it's the icing on the eco-friendly cake. Suddenly, the idea of green hydrogen becomes not just a possibility, but a significant stride toward combating climate change. Now let's talk about the refueling side of things. We all know the waiting game when charging an electric vehicle. It's like watching paint dry. Hydrogen cars, though, they're quick. Refueling a hydrogen vehicle is as fast as your standard gas station pit stop. Just a few minutes, and you're done. Think about it. No more planning your day around charging stops or sitting in your car, swiping through endless social media feeds while you wait for juice. It's simple, effortless, and fits seamlessly into our busy lives. That's a hefty advantage for consumers who value their time. Think about the future where the best of both worlds merge, the need for cleaner air and the love for cars that feel just right. Hydrogen vehicles offer more than just benefits. They promise to reshape driving into something both exhilarating and responsible. From zero emissions contributing to a healthier planet, speedy refueling that aligns with modern lifestyles, to preserving an authentic driving sensation. These vehicles are not just a glimpse of what's possible. They are paving the road to what should be the norm. Embrace the journey as hydrogen technology opens up a new, thrilling chapter in automotive history. The potential of hydrogen technology rings out loudly, carrying with it the hope of greener roads and enthusiastic drivers who can have their cake and eat it too. As more people realize these benefits and industries adapt to support this kind of innovation, that dream of a sustainable and pleasurable driving experience will transform from niche to commonplace. Step into the driver's seat of a hydrogen vehicle, and you're part of a narrative that's about more than transportation. You're driving toward a future filled with potential and purpose.
Now, let's turn it up a notch. This innovative water engine technology is not limited to zipping around town in a compact car. Toyota envisions a world where hydrogen-powered trucks transport goods across the nation, and factories operate efficiently, powered by hydrogen. They're dreaming big. The concept of an entire hydrogen economy that could revolutionize not just our wallets, but also the health of our planet. Toyota's water engine could mark the dawn of an incredible shift. They're aiming to think beyond mere mechanics. Their aspirations extend to igniting a full-blown hydrogen-powered revolution. We're talking about cracking the code on producing, storing, and transporting hydrogen as if it were a walk in the park. Now you're probably wondering, why hasn't anyone made this before yet? Since the very beginning of the automobile age, the concept of using water as a power source has captivated the curious minds of inventors and engineers alike. Water is literally all around us. It's renewable, abundant, and seemingly inexhaustible. This raises the question, why wouldn't it serve as the ultimate fuel for our vehicles? It's no surprise that innovators have scrambled to harness this life-giving liquid, dreaming of a day when our cars could run on something as crucial as water. For decades, brilliant thinkers, equipped only with their imagination and an unwavering belief in what could be, have sought to unlock the energy held within this plentiful resource. But wait a second, let's pause for a reality check. When you hear that water is everywhere, it might sound like the perfect solution for an endless energy source, right? Wrong. Water isn't a magic energy fountain. It's more of a sly middleman in this game. It doesn't generate energy on its own. Instead, think of it as a courier, carrying energy around like a molecular backpack, ready to deliver but not produce. This method is designed to split water into its basic components, hydrogen and oxygen, by applying electricity. When those two gases combine, they theoretically produce energy that could power an engine. Sounds fantastic on paper, doesn't it? However, the catch is that the system must be incredibly efficient, generating more energy than it consumes, which has consistently proven to be a monumental challenge. Enter Toyota, whose current mission is to create a water engine that doesn't behave like an energy vampire, one that consumes more power than it delivers.